The drunk driver who hit and killed a 16-year-old boy last year in Yonkers was sentenced. Stephen Dolan was an employee with the Yonkers Public Works Department when he hit and killed 16-year-old C.J. Hackett in August of 2022. Prosecutors say surveillance video showed Dolan having at least 17 drinks before he got behind the wheel, hitting the teen who was riding his scooter near his home. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis live in Yonkers with the sentencing. Marcus.
And David, even though family and prosecutors were hoping for the maximum 7-year sentence in this case, the judge, taking into account Stephen Dolan's remorse and the fact that he accepted responsibility by pleading guilty in this case, in handing down that reduced 1.5 to 4.5 year sentence. The entire courtroom was packed with family and friends from Archbishop Stepinac, where C.J. Hackett today would have been a senior. The 16-year-old was killed in August of 2022, hit while riding a scooter on McLean Avenue. The driver of that van that struck him was drunk at the time and left the scene. Stephen Dolan worked for the City of Yonkers DPW and pleaded guilty to vehicular manslaughter, DWI, and leaving the scene of an accident. In court, CJ's aunt delivered an emotional victim impact statement, speaking on behalf of CJ's parents, describing a, quote, pain that never goes away. She called Dolan a coward who only thought about himself when he chose to drive drunk and leave CJ lying in the street after the crash.
Stephen Dolan, you were given a plea deal of 1.5 to 4.5 years. We were given a life sentence without CJ. Our holidays, birthdays, family gatherings will never be the same. There will always be a missing piece in our family.
I've been thinking about this day for a long time, thinking about what I could say to express how sorry I am and how ashamed I feel. But the truth is, there's nothing I could say that would make up for the pain that I've caused. I deserve to live with this. I deserve to live with the fact that I broke the hearts of so many people.
Well, afterwards, the family said that apology rang hollow, the family taking a small bit of solace in the fact that CJ's organs were donated and saved the lives of 11 people.